once again.
Hello, it's Jimmy here at O'Reilly's Mobile Mechanics. Here we have a Peugeot 2008. It's got 131,000. If we start it up, it has quietened down a little bit, but we've got a noise coming from the crank pulley. Be just in there. We have used some of this spray grease to put in behind the crank pulley, and that has quietened down the noise a little bit, but we'll take it off and show you. Get the wheel off. Now we're going to use this pry tool here just to get all of these little plastic clips off. Use a T20 to get these out. We can just move this plastic arch liner away, and then we'll have the cover inside here. We can get these bolts out, 10mm. Looks like that's all that's there, so we'll get it off. And here we have the crank pulley here. Just get this socket onto the tensioner so we can loosen up the belt here and take it off. Get our laser pedal depressor onto the brake pedal here. Just depress that all the way. Brake on, and we'll put it in first gear. Got our Milwaukee gun here, M18, 18mm socket on the end there, and I'm just gonna put that on the end and we'll get it open. We should be able to just wiggle that off. You can see on the back there it's got a little keyway where it should sit, and I think what's happening with this one is the rubber damper inside, it's maybe gone out of line a little bit. It's just causing it to rub slightly, just making a grinding, scraping noise. When we spray some fluid in the back of here, the noise is going away. I don't know if you can see on there, but you can see where it's been rubbing some of the material off of the rubber damper. So we're going to clean this off and we'll put a new crank pulley on here. Just going to use some brake cleaner, spray on here, get rid of all of that rubber debris there. And we'll use some tissue just to scrape up any remaining residue there. We'll repeat that a few times. Now we've got it nice and clean. It should dry off in a minute or two. Here we've got a new crankshaft pulley. Comes with a new bolt. So we'll get this fitted on. See where this little notch here slots into that section right there. So if we just slide it over and turn, it should just fall in just like that. Now we can get the bolt on. and that should be tightened up to 35 Newton meters, so it's not a lot. Slip the belt back on over there, bolts tightened up, and we can get the plastic covers back on. So that's those two bolts back on. We can unfold this from back around the back of the wheel arch there where we had it, slide it in place, and we'll just pop it back in. Take our axle stand out, lower the jack, just up the top here we've got a second belt tensioner. Just going to move that back so we can pull out that pin there. And that's that one all finished. Let's start this one up and see if we can hear a difference. Not sure if it's visible on camera. There's a massive difference, not sure if you can hear. See you on the next video.